boss. We're watching now. Rewind this rhythm track to the start because right about now we have a rebel version, same with a different style and pattern, better known as a urban version.